Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the SAP Accounts Payable end-to-end process. This process is essential for managing vendor transactions efficiently and maintaining healthy cash flow within your organization. Let's get started. 1. What is Accounts Payable? Accounts Payable, or AP, refers to the amount of money a business owes to its suppliers for goods and services received. It is a critical component of financial management, ensuring that payments are made on time while maintaining good vendor relationships. The main functions of the accounts payable process include receiving and verifying invoices, processing payments, maintaining vendor master data, ensuring compliance with financial policies. 2. Overview of the end-to-end accounts payable process. The end-to-end accounts payable process encompasses several key stages that ensure accurate handling of vendor invoices and timely payments. Here's an overview of the complete process flow. 3. Step-by-step breakdown of the AP process. Let's break down the accounts payable process into its main steps. 1. Invoice receipt and verification. The process begins when invoices are received from vendors. Each invoice is verified against purchase orders and receiving reports to ensure accuracy in quantities and pricing. 2. Invoice approval and coding. After verification, invoices are routed for approval. Department heads or managers review them, ensuring they align with company policies before coding them to the appropriate expense accounts. 3. Payment authorization. Once approved, invoices are sent for payment authorization. Authorized personnel review the payment details to confirm accuracy and compliance with internal controls. 4. Payment execution. In this step, payments are executed based on the approved invoices. This can involve various payment methods such as checks, electronic funds transfers, EFT, or credit card payments. 5. Reconciliation. After payments are made, reconciliation occurs to match outgoing payments against records in the accounting system. This step ensures that all transactions are accurately recorded and discrepancies are resolved. 6. Reporting and analysis. Finally, comprehensive reports are generated to analyze vendor performance, payment trends, and outstanding liabilities. This data helps organizations make informed financial decisions. 4. Importance of automation in AP. Implementing automation in the accounts payable process can significantly enhance efficiency. Automated workflows streamline invoice processing, reduce manual errors, and accelerate approval cycles. Tools like digital invoice capture and automated approval hierarchies help organizations manage their accounts payable more effectively, leading to improved cash flow management. 5. Best practices for managing accounts payable. To optimize your accounts payable process, consider these best practices. Maintain accurate vendor master data. Implement clear approval workflows. Regularly review outstanding invoices. Foster strong communication with vendors to address any discrepancies promptly. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the end-to-end accounts payable process in SAP is crucial for effective financial management. By following these steps and best practices, organizations can enhance their operational efficiency and maintain strong relationships with their vendors. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights on SAP topics, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.